Chloe Picks. I'm back with another video. If it's your first time here, don't forget to like and subscribe. If not, welcome back. Guys, I've decided to create a lottery budget, and I thought I would share my thoughts on this process. Now, if you occasionally play the lottery, only when like the Mega Millions or the Powerball has a big jackpot, then a lottery budget isn't necessary. You're that occasional player only playing to hope to get a big lottery win. But for those of us that play it daily, a plan is probably a good idea. First thing to do is to decide how much you can afford and want to spend daily. Now, I don't have any suggestions for that amount because everybody's financial situation is different. Once you have that daily amount, write it down and stick to it. Yes, write it down, because if you just say it, you probably won't stick to that amount. So let's say, for example, you said $1 a day. For an entire month, that's $30. If there's 30 days in a month, $31 for 31 days. At the end of the month, add up all your winnings and subtract that amount spent. You should be in the positive. If you're lucky enough to win, let's say $500, do not spend more the next day. I think that's the real key. Stick to that daily budget, the amount that you said you would do a day. So at the end of the month, you will profit. As always, guys, thank you for watching and good luck.